In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful, welcome to virtual learning system of Pakistan International School, Taif. Dear student, I am your science teacher, Rab Nawaz. This is your new topic, light and shadow, unit number 17, video number 24. It is on your book page number 68. Light and shadow. We need light to see things. The sun gave us light and changed the dark and changed the dark night into the bright day. Sun changed dark night to bright day. Light also from comes from electric bulb, fire, and torch. You see this picture. This is a picture of sun. Sun gave us light. Also comes from electric bulbs, fire, and torches. But bulb is the source of light. These are bulb. This is candle. Candle is a source of light. This is torch. Torch is the source of light. This is the sun. Sun is the main source of light. They change dark night to bright day. Sun is the main source of light. All light travels in a straight line. Dear student, you know that light is a form of energy and it travels in a straight line called rays. A collection of rays is called a beam. When a light is switched on, the light rays travel very fast. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. It travels much faster than sound. Light passes through some materials but cannot pass through others. First, you see the picture of tree. The light can pass through air. This is a picture of water in the bowl. Light can pass through water. Water. Water is inside the bowl. The light pass through water. What water is inside, light rays pass through the water. Light can pass through water. Light can pass through glasses. Light can pass through glasses. Dear student, this is window glasses. Light passes through the window glass. Dear student, light cannot pass through these materials. Door, light cannot pass from the door. Light cannot pass from the wall. Light cannot pass from the solid surface. The, the material that do not let light pass through them block it. When the light is blocked, it is called when the light is blocked, it casts a shadow. These surface the light cannot pass, they block it and make a shadow. Dear student, when the light is blocked, it make a shadow. This is a picture of shadow. This is a picture of also shadow. Allah Hafiz.